welcome again to Lana on the Law, another episode. How are you, Lana?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Dr. Massis. This is Attorney Lana Joseph. I am happy to be here today.
Awesome. Well, so much to cover today. As you know, there's a lot of things going on with COVID-19, with immigrations. I know this is very dear to your heart. So are you excited to talk about COVID-19 and immigration?
Yes, most definitely. There's so many things that have changed in the past few weeks. A lot of updates, and I want to make sure that everybody are aware of all these changes.
All right, let's not waste any time. Tell me a little bit what's happening with the immigration court right now as far as COVID-19 is concerned.
Okay, so with the immigration court, since that happened, started back like in March 13th or so on, we have seen that there's a lot of courts they have basically shut down. But we know it's not totally shut down because they might not be having hearings for people who are non-detained, meaning if you are not in their custody, their main concern is not about you right now. So if you have a court date, most of these people right now, they probably already received notice that their court date have been canceled, closed. So they need to reschedule. They will be sending a new schedule for the court date. So if you are not in their custody, your court date is actually canceled. They will reschedule that for you. But however, for those who are in their custody, which means they are in jail right now, and immigration detention center, these hearings are still continuing. They can still have a bond hearing so they can get out on bond. They can still do their continual hearing, although we know it's been a slow process because everybody is doing the social distancing and taking some measures.
Well, you're not doing so much social distancing here right now.
That's because we're working hard.
Very good. Well, listen, so I know, so you're telling us a little bit about, the immigration court. How about USCIS? What is currently happening with USCIS? Are they shut down? Are they working? What's happening there?
Okay, so part of that is shut down. We know that USCIS is not doing any face-to-face interviews. They are not seeing clients, but however, they still working on the whole process of making sure that these applications are being processed. So I understand there are people who might already submit their application, maybe like a naturalization application, or you submitted an adjustment of status. At this moment, USCIS is still processing your application. In fact, we have received quite a bit of calls from the officers at USCIS, letting us know, asking us questions because they're trying to process these applications in the meanwhile. And we know that one good thing is for some people who are doing adjustment of status, meaning who are getting their green card, some of them USCIS are actually processing it, not requiring a face-to-face interview, so they are getting their green card in the mail. But we know it's not everybody, it's not something you can ask for, but that is a possibility. Okay,
great. Well, now let's say, I'm in Haiti or I'm in Mexico, maybe somewhere in Africa, maybe in Eastern Europe. Well, I'm trying to get to the country. I'm supposed to be coming in here. My paper's already in. Some people already have their own appointments. So what's happening on those consulates outside of the country?
Well, we do know that at this point with the consulate is that they are closed also because of this virus, but at the same time, they are doing some processing or for emergency cases. We know a lot of citizens who are outside of the United States, they were able to get them to come back in the United States. But if you are waiting, for example, people who have their documents in National Visa Center, these people at this time, everything is pretty much working slowly. And we're waiting until the embassy get back up again so they can start doing the appointments for them to come in. And I know that has a direct impact on the proclamation that the President Trump
the 60 days.
Yes. So basically what he's saying since April 22nd, starting April 23rd, is that they are not allowing people to come from outside of the United States, inside the United States, without a legal document, without a visa. So it has absolutely nothing to do with people who have their green card or who already has a visa who wants to come in. But it's mostly those who are coming maybe from Mexico, from Brazil, from different places without a visa. These people are not able to come in at this time.
All right, great. Well, listen, you know what? I have a friend who came to the house. Well, I did not let him inside of my house because of, isolation.
COVID-19.
So, but in the windows, you know, one of the questions he had was that he was worried whether he should be able to take unemployment because he didn't want that to affect his citizenship. You know, he says, "Hey, I know I'm supposed to do my citizenship. Now I'm laid off. I don't want to get into unemployment." What do you say to that?
Well, you know, one other thing is that starting at the end of February, the public charge rule has actually taken effect. What that means is that certain people may not be able to get their green card, or they might have to go over that burden of, hey, are you going to be a public charge? Is the government going to be responsible for you once you have your green card? And if so, the government is not interested in giving you a green card. So what this does is that a lot of people, they scared that maybe I shouldn't apply for unemployment because I don't want that to affect my immigration case. What I'm telling you is this does not have an effect. So if you are qualified for unemployment benefits, then you should actually take advantage of it because it doesn't affect you, or you don't have to report that on your public charge declaration.
So how about you, if you get $1,200 from the government, the money the president is sending to everybody, should you get that without in trouble?
Yes, that's a good thing. If you qualify for it, in fact, some of our clients do qualify for it. So they are taking advantage of this, and it does not have any effect on the public charge. So you can actually do so. And one other thing too, for those who are getting treatment, like for testing done for COVID-19, or you're getting treatment done, even if Medicaid pay for it, they actually putting this aside is not going to affect you as a public charge. But things that affect you, James, is like if you're getting food stamps, if you are on welfare, Section 8, if you're getting regular Medicaid, cash assistance, these are the things that affect your public charge. And what we're telling people is very important. If you decide to take one of these benefits, before you take them, if you know you're in the process of immigration, contact an attorney, contact our office. We'll review your documents for you, making sure that later on it's not going to be a problem for you to get your green card.
Wow, well, Lana, so much going on. So people can take, can go get, medical treatment they need for COVID-19 with no problem.
Yes.
They can get their unemployment with no issues, right?
Yes.
And definitely that cash from the government, they can get
They
it.
sure can.
Well, guys, I mean, it's so many things happening. As you know, a lot of things are changing with COVID-19. What do you want us to tell them last thing? Because we want them to please like our video. We want you to share our video. We want you to subscribe to the channel,
Yes.
because that's where you get all your information.
Exactly. It is very important at this time. If you have an immigration case, do not hold on. This is the time to continue your process with your immigration, because one of the things, James, is that while there are some changes, some places are closed, we know that they are deporting people like crazy under this virus thing. So you want to make sure, protect yourself. Get your immigration cases working for you, and call us at our office at 770-302-1485. Myself or any of my associate will be more than happy to discuss your immigration case with you, because at the end, your immigration case matters.
Well, I'm going to say I'm very happy you are my lawyer, because even when things were happening, most people were hiding, but you are still out there making sure people get their law situation they needed.
Yes.
You and the court system making sure your clients are covered. Man, so good to see you again. We'll see you again next time.
All right, thank you so much. I look forward to see all of you guys, and give us a call.
Don't forget to like that video, share it, and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.